Welcome to our video on syncing audio and video in CapCut. Today, we'll explore the importance of getting your audio and video in sync, and the common mistakes you should avoid. Our first common mistake is ignoring the audio sample rate and frame rate. These two need to match for smooth playback. Make sure your project settings reflect your audio specifications. Next, let's talk about file formats. Using inconsistent file formats can lead to syncing issues. Always check that your audio and video files are compatible. Common mistake number 3 is relying solely on automatic sync features. While they can be helpful, manual adjustments are often necessary for perfect alignment. Overlooking timeline alignment is another mistake that can impact your project. Ensure that your audio and video clips are perfectly aligned on the timeline. Finally, not using markers for sync points can make your job harder. Mark relevant sync points to save time and ensure accuracy. If you experience syncing problems, check your settings, align your clips, and use markers for guidance. Simple adjustments can resolve many issues. To sync efficiently, always match your sample and frame rates, use compatible file formats, and leverage markers. These tips will streamline your editing process. In conclusion, avoid these common mistakes to enhance your CapCut experience and create seamless audio-video compositions. Happy editing! We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your experiences in the comments below and subscribe for more helpful videos.